Guku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Kimani Ichungwa ni arikia Gucokeria Rigathi wa Gachagua. Rigathi wa Gachagua ni arekereirie press statement yake muthenya wa umuthi miaraho. And by the way, as we speak, Rigathi wa Gachagua ekuria kiharo kia ndege kia JKIA athiete mucii munene wa USA. Kwa ndu mekugeretie kuga ati visa yake yuma revoked, no macio mothe mama maheni. Rigathi wa Gachagua as we speak ekuria kiwanja-ini kia ndege arete mwena wa USA, as you can see from this video. Now, Kimani Ichungwa ni acokeria Rigathi wa Gachagua. Rikana thiini wa statement ya Gachagua muthenya wa umuthi augire atiriri, hingo iria ofici ciacinirwo kuria mwena wa Gikuyu, Rigathi wa Gachagua alleges that mubunge wako was involved in that incident. Rigathi wa Gachagua akauga atiriri, mundu me mothe mukoretwo mukiona guku routine and everything, uvori wa indo, guns, ati ni horo ukoretwo ubangitwo ni state. Maritwo ma Kinana ni magwetetwo kana egwetire ngina Kinana thiini wa maundu maya. Kimani Ichungwa oka arekeria statement, na thiini wa statement yake Kimani Ichungwa arauga atiriri, ati Rigathi wa Gachagua ni bitter, ati tondu ni impeachirwo, ati Rigathi wa Gachagua ni etikeire ku impeachwo kana mahitia make ni mwatumire impeachwo. Akauga atiriri, ati Rigathi wa Gachagua ati riu ni mumaku tondu ni amenya ni guthira athirite politically. Acoka akauga atiriri, ati mundu tigire Rigathi wa Gachagua, Kimani Ichungwa ni augite ati ni abangite maundu maya mothe mukoretwo mukiona guku thiini wa Mount Kenya region, ohoro wothe muonete routine and so on and so forth, goals and so on and so forth, thiini wa statement yake. No andu ni mathiite makamucokeria thiini wa comment section, na igwa andu mambiriirie gu comment. Kimani Ichungwa ndana ndagika 20 ataingite comment section iyo, no ndakoda screenshot comment ciganona. The big question I'm asking, Kimani Ichungwa ni uga maundu macio mothe, yuhoro wa guns ici tukoretwo tukiona guku thiini wa Mount Kenya region ye, guns ici niki citanyitetwo? Kwina tumia gwe Sunday makago marekageria press conference mwena, was it Lavington kaniko aya KHCR something like that, magikorwo ni guns gina kamera ciao indo cigithukagio. Guns icio ni cioirwo wega na images ciacio kana mbica ciao cikerekio guku nenda-ini, niki matanyitetwo? Guns iria tukoretwo tukiona mena borithi thaingo iria mauga mathia kwa Nairobi makaya Sakaja ni moka ni maruta wira wao, niki matanyitetwo? Hingo Rigathi wa Gachagua anatharikio guku kirima-ini, niki guns icio stay cianyitwo? No kiria ndiroria, niki kwa guothe gutharikirwo guns cianyitwo? Kwa kwina wici guns cianyitwo? Niki? Kio nikio kiurekere kinene igira kuri Kimani Ichungwa, because kwina videos guns kioneka mena borithi na gutiri undu marekwo. Niki matanyitetwo acio? Before this narrative, niki acio matanyitetwo? Undu ungi, Rigathi wa Gachagua gutiri guthira athirite politically. In fact, is very strong politically than ever. Ni mukuona marakara maria menamo, marakara macio maramakaniriri ni Rigathi wa Gachagua ena hinya muingi. Hingo okire kwaria na rekeria press iyo, ni okire yamahinyiriria muno. This guy is not a joke. Gachagua ni amagithitie toro, na marigwo atiriri riu mekora nako mekuhitha nako. They know most of these people they will not be re-elected ni ndo Rigathi wa Gachagua kuma Kinara Gwikora, kuma Kinara na bunge ya memwena wa Mount Kenya ni one term. By the way, niki ni impact ya Rigathi wa Gachagua. Andu marike gucokeria Kimani Ichungwa kuria thiini before ahinge comment section, oni gwandu mekumwiraga mundu wa statement iyo andikira uga mia hau ndiki andu mendete kutha giuo gike mia hau I don't know. He mundu muria atiriri, hakuna mtu amekufa hapo kwenu na ungetupatia hii riba. Hakuna mtu amekufa huko kwenu na ungetupatia hii riba huko. Na niwe pia Kimani Ichungwa he was alleging ati aciari no menda gutharikirwo ni andu aria matumitwo ni Rigathi wa Gachagua. Ohoro wa office yake atenere Gachagua niki andu acio matanyitetwo niki Gachagua atanyitetwo Gachagua ne kiuria akoretwo akiuria niki police station irakio mwaki yet for the me armed mena mishiga niki kambatagitira police station. Is it possible? Kile kiuria gikoretwo kiuria lazima hata kama ni hivyo one time andu mahamwe one time na bado kuna tufishato turatrend thwa mutongoria wa bũrũri kuga ati andu mekũhũrwo rithathi magũrũ hena bica ici ciambĩtie go trend gũkũ online and Kenyans are very creative by the way. Ni kuna andu mena crutches, kuna andu mena crutches mohetwo bandage magũrũ magithi go vote by the way. Gen Z wachana nao andu na agena makira Kimani Ichungwa. Each paragraph should end with the word one time. Focus, Kimani. If those in government are crying, what about us who are not part of it? Hii ni ile status mtu hupost akiumizwa na dem alafu anafuta money juu hakuna mtu akona haja na paragraph zako. Hivyo. Call a press conference and express yourself. Oded Kimani. Gachagua all the way. Huyo Kasongo ni one time. Aya ni andu aria mathire haria na macokeria Kimani. He mundu ugite atiriri Kimanogo, don't stoop this low. Gachagua political failure and yet he commands the whole mlima. I dare you ufanye mwitano Thika tukuone. Mugeka uga nyanyazins. Mundu mwite wewe nyamaza. Ugeka uga kwenda na huko. Ugeka uga 2027 nyumbani. Okay, as on elections, as on 27 election, we were at Tembotu, Adume Iguru, Wahuicha. Mudo Sami Akagateri. You can take him to court. You can take him to court as well if you are man enough. Akamano Mamotware, Egotine, Agikomena evidence, Yakuigana. Hena mudo Dennis Obara, na Negoda Muno Wodoma commentina yake. Aweteo, what I like most, Gachagua isn't Raila. Huyu ni moto sana, atasumbua kaongo sana. Only 5 minutes talk, the whole government and its cruelest bloggers are hardly responding to King wa Munyoro. I will surely miss him for some time. Nyodora Victoria Maju. Huyo ni kijana mdogo wa kujibu Gachagua. Ajiheshimu by the way. Ugekawa. Afungue comment section. Tuseme pole uye. Oguo negu ado maritie kwa thini wa conversation. No ugerora the whole of that thing kana mmerio Kimani Ichungwa aria. Ado matira bae. Iyo narrative ihawo uguo kana uguo respond. Ado matira bae. Ado mena regatha wa Gachagua. Ado methwa regatha Gachagua. Fact, Morton is gone. Fact, Raishi regatha wa Gachagua is untouchable. Fact, regatha wa Gachagua thaici ena hinya muingi pio. Fact, Gachagua ena hinya muingi politically gukira uria ari thini wa thirikari ino. In fact, Kinara agiorio no kuga tu akona dialogue na mundu tiregatha wa Gachagua maiguane medere. Kinara agiorio, but they are saying they don't have time for dialogue. They can't dialogue with them. In fact, by the way, makiaria horo wa dialogue mirugano ino ikoretwo ikuo, it's not about Gen Z. Mirugano ino ikoretwo ikuo, it's about Gen Z. Sorry, it's about Gen Z. What you do regatha wa Gachagua roka. So which dialogue magitwo wetie dialogue, which dialogue regatha wa Gachagua ego thiko dialogue horo wake. First, let them dialogue to mwananchi. Maundu maria Kenya maenda meko agiko ni taxation KK maundu macio mothe meherio. That's the dialogue. I called them at house levy. I called them at issue Kîrîa NSF sio gereirwo. I called them at issue. That's the only dialogue Kenya magiko meneo. But other things apana. But the dialogue with the Kenyans neko mathikiriria na gwikoria a Kenya marenda. That's the only dialogue in a Kenya magikoria a Kenya magika na thirikari ino. But gweta Gachagua madialogue na thirikari ati mirugano no ikwehorere, it can't. Todo Gen Z they are leaderless o mekoko onogo no they are keyboard warriors, onogo mero maumire, but the only thing to do with them niko mahe mawira. Guys, it is what it is. Guko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast.